Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm going to show you guys how I use my hot glue gun to add these highlights to this wig. In a previous video, I show how I did highlights on a bundle, and I'll make sure to add that video to the description box below. But I just didn't feel like hand sewing the bundles on, and I don't know how to use a machine or a sewing machine just yet. So I decided to go back to the basics. Back to good old faithful, which is my hot glue gun. And I'm doing that today. And so I put the glue on the weft, and then I just attach it to the cap. You can add the glue onto the cap and then attach the weft on there like that. Either way, I do both. I just do whatever's comfortable for me. So I just advise you do the same. And I like this method, honestly. I used to do this all the time back in the day. And so I just felt like I was going to do it again today. Now, I don't like using black glue to do stuff like this. I feel like you got to do too much to make the black glue stick and get tacky and hard. I'll just use my hot glue gun. And I got everything from Walmart. I'll go ahead and attach it to my Amazon storefront if you cannot find it at Walmart. And if you happen to get like a glob of glue, just get a black or a Sharpie and just color it. And that will take care of, seeing that. And just go ahead now and take the plastic cap off of the wig. You want to protect your dome head. I don't suggest using the Kroger's bag. As you can see, it gave me a lot of trouble. So try to find a plastic cap to do this method. But yeah, the video wasn't very long. I just wanted to show how I put these highlights in using my hot glue gun. And then the next tutorial will be me curling it. So it'll just show you guys how I curl my wigs, how I layer, how I curl it, and everything like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in part 2. Peace and God bless. Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.